Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope you guys are doing great. So today is June 10th, 2021. I work from home and started my day and got a call from my manager, and it wasn't what I was expecting. I lost my job today, and that's my main source of income, so I'm in shock right now. But I thought I'd give you guys a quick update because, as we all know, I have this M4 on the channel, and these things aren't free, they cost money. So when I lose my job, it's not gonna be easy. So I kind of want to go over what's coming up, you know? I just bought this M4 and I just lost my job. You can't keep an M4 if you don't have a job, if you're not making money. So I'm gonna keep the car. Let's just go straight there. I'm gonna keep the car. I'm going to try and figure something crazy out. I'm gonna have long days, early mornings, long nights, and you guys are gonna be able to see my journey on how I'm gonna keep my dream car and how me losing my job is gonna be not something that I'm gonna be devastated on. Obviously it hurts because I loved my company, I loved my job, but I'm gonna use this time to be positive and to use it as encouragement, because I have always wanted to try something big with my life, and there's several things that I've been wanting to do with work-wise. I've always wanted to start businesses, and I feel like if I am able to pull something together and keep this car and do some crazy stuff on this channel for you guys, I think it would be worth sticking around. Nobody plans to lose their job. I was with this company for basically a year, and it's what supported me. So now we're gonna have to figure out a whole new game plan, but I'm gonna take you guys along for the journey. You know, one of the first things I did was I just got in my car and I started to drive, because that's really all I know. When something upsets me, when something doesn't feel right, when I'm just not in a good mood, I just go drive to clear my mind. So I'm pulled over here, just started talking to my camera, and want to let you guys know in this video what's gonna be coming up next. I'm gonna be modding the car. It might be on a delay, but it will be modded. Parts will be put in this car, and this car is going nowhere. We are going to make automotive therapy exactly what I intended it for. Now, automotive therapy is not some cheesy name that I just randomly came up with. If you guys are like me, which I know a lot of you car enthusiasts are, you use driving, you use building a car, you use working on tools, you just use a car, being around cars as therapy from all the stresses, from all the stuff that happens in our lives. That's what automotive therapy is about. It's about us recognizing that life isn't easy, but we all share the same passion for cars, and we use it as something to keep us busy, to keep our minds busy, something that we can go to and all share and just have fun with. That is what automotive therapy is about, and I hope you guys can understand that and understand where I'm coming from with why I love making these videos, because I know it's gonna help you guys through tough times. It helps me through tough times. If I didn't have this interest to film and work on cars, losing my job would have been way worse. But I have a car that's gonna motivate me. I have so many things that are gonna motivate me. The videos are gonna be way more consistent. There's gonna be so much coming because of this event that happened today. So I don't really have too much to say other than that, but you guys stay tuned. No matter who watches, I'm gonna go head on and keep my head up and get things done. I can't believe I lost my job, but That's part of life. That is part of life. I'm not going to be asking for any support or money or anything because I know that's what these things kind of lead to. All I'm kind of presenting to you guys is where automotive therapy is going and what you should expect. Be excited because this M4 is not going anywhere, and we are going to continue filming and filming tons of different cars because that's what I love to do and that's what I love to film. At least I'm able to do this. As bad as losing my job is, at least I can hop in the car and just drive and have fun. Because that, I'm smiling, guys. Not a lot of people smile when they lose their job. But that's what cars are all about. Giving you something fun to do, having fun. Those brakes are awesome. So that's going to end the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for the support that you give me on this channel. I know we're not a big channel. We've only got like 600 and almost 700 subscribers, but that doesn't stop me from getting excited from seeing all the likes and comments that you guys bring the videos. So again, thank you so much for the support. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.